Today I'm going to show you how to put your BMW 1 Series in reverse. It's simple, but for some people, for the first time, they don't know how to put in reverse, including me. It's a little bit trickier than the normal ones. When you see the diagram, it says all the way down to the left and up, but if you put that, it goes to the first gear. So to put it in the reverse, you must put some extra force in the left side. It's like if you put some extra force, it's like braking. Okay, if you put up, you can listen a click sound. Look, if you click and put, that is reverse. Okay, if you put normal, that's first gear. If you put a click and go, it's reverse. Just tap. If this is first gear, just tap, go, reverse. Okay, neutral. Now it's neutral. Okay, just one tap forward, it's first gear. One tap, two tap, go, it's reverse gear.